Alright, come here, girl.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Alright? Alright. Back up a little bit. Let's make him come our way. Alright, that's good. Alright?
You look like a duck!
What?
Come on, look like a duck in the middle.
You do alright? The duck just wants to watch.
Wait.
You alright?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Just stuck in the little water.
I just did.
Yeah. Okay, Mike, don't go backwards. That's the key. I can hold you if you go forward, okay?
Okay, got it. Oh, sorry.